Hi dear viewers, today we will explain about the best sound bar in India. The name of this sound bar is Bose Smart Ultra Sound Bar. It have some special features like Dolby Atmos AI dialogue mode and AirPlay to Chromecast and Alexa also built in with it. And no doubt with its sound it have best and special vocal clarity. No one can compete it with its vocal clarity. Immersive no matter what you're watching. With Bose Smart Ultra Sound Bar you'll experience truly immersive spatial audio powered by Dolby Atmos and True Space. Plus, AI dialogue mode automatically balances voice and surround sound for ultra-crisp vocal clarity. And here we also learn about how we play it easily. Just plug in and play. The Bose Smart Ultra Sound Bar uses a single connection to your TV. Choose either the HDMI connection or the optical audio connection, both cables provided. Simply connect the sound bar to power and download the Bose Music app to your mobile device to complete the setup. Private or party listening. Use Bose Simple Sync to connect with different Bose headphones, such as Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra earbuds, Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones, and Bose Quiet Comfort headphones. Plus, select Bose Bluetooth speakers. Bose Music app. The app walks you through setup, lets you choose your voice assistant, group compatible Wi-Fi enabled products and more. Simple setup. A single connection to your TV via an optical audio cable or an HDMI ERC cable, both cables included. Stream anything. With Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Apple AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, and Chromecast, you can wirelessly stream whatever you love, however you want. Adaptive calibration. Adaptive optimizes the sound of your system for the acoustics of your room. The calibration process measures the properties of your room and adjusts the sound of your system accordingly. And now we are talk about Bose Bars Module 700 World Best Thumb you will get with it. Sound you can feel. Love your new Bose sound bar but want to kick the performance up a notch? Add the Bose Bars Module 700. It's the difference between hearing bass and feeling thunder. And it's the best wireless bars module we've ever designed for any of our home cinema systems. In fact, it's the best performance you can get from a subwoofer of this size. It connects wirelessly to your sound bar and adds even more depth and impact to everything from explosive movie effects to house rocking playlists. Beautiful inside and out. With its premium glass top finish, the Bose Bars Module 700 offers a sophisticated look that you won't find in typical subwoofers or home cinema equipment. Of course, this isn't typical equipment. This subwoofer delivers a dynamic range of bars from a powerful driver and generously sized port, with quiet port technology that virtually eliminates distortion. So go ahead, turn up the music and feel that rhythm move through the house. Compatibility. Product availability may vary by country. The Bose Bars Module 700 is compatible with these all products. Now our next model in soundbars is Bose Smart Soundbar. Elevate every experience. Dolby Atmos, exclusive Bose TrueSpace technology, and upward-firing transducers deliver shockingly immersive sound for a soundbar of this size. Fully immersive sound Dolby Atmos Bose TrueSpace AI dialogue mode. Personal surround sound control, voice, remote, or app. Wireless music streaming. Dolby Atmos Bose TrueSpace. Dolby Atmos is a game changer for bringing cinema-like immersion into your living room. But while the library is growing, most content is not Atmos encoded. For full immersion all the time, there's Bose TrueSpace technology. It intelligently analyzes what you're watching and up-mixes signals other than Atmos to create a multi-channel experience. So even 5.1 and stereo content get an added layer of immersion and realistic height effects. AI Dialogue Mode. Using artificial intelligence, AI Dialogue Mode produces the clearest conversations with minimal impact to immersive effects. This sophisticated feature senses when dialogue is occurring and automatically balances voice and surround sound for ultra-crisp vocal clarity, so you can hear dialogue clearly without sacrificing the immersive elements that make smart soundbars so special. The result? Less rewinding, more enjoying. One app. Total control. The Bose app holds the key to the best user experience possible, ensuring optimal functionality with regular software updates and access to the latest features. But that's just the beginning. See how the Bose app maximizes everything your soundbar has to offer. Personal surround sound. Cinematic immersion. While smart soundbar delivers impressive immersion on its own, achieving true surround sound typically requires investing in a full home cinema system. Enter Personal Surround Sound, a breakthrough innovation that allows an individual user to pair smart soundbar with Bose Ultra Open earbuds, sold separately, for amplified immersion without additional equipment or setup. Personal Surround Sound. Cinematic immersion. And now we have next option in Bose module, and the name of this Bose module 500. Sound you can feel. A Bose Smart Sound Bar is a great start, but if you're looking to amp up the performance, just add the Bose Module 500 and take your music, movies and more to a whole new level. It's thunderous bass in a compact, 25 cm cube with wireless connectivity, making it easy to hide, but even easier to hear. Who says you need a big box for big bass? Not us. Simple setup. Adding this Bose module to your Bose soundbar gives you a room-rocking, cinema-like experience. And the setup? Simple. Just wirelessly connect to the soundbar and you'll have premium bass almost instantly. Compatibility. Product availability may vary by country. The Bose Module 500 is compatible with these models.
And now we are talking about Bose surround speaker. These speakers are very impactful to this soundbar. They feel like complete theater setup at your home. Small speakers, big surround sound. You want to hear the car chases and explosions. You want to savor the guitar solos and sweeping verses. You want to be in the middle of all of the action, and the Bose surround speakers take you there. Designed exclusively to pair with the Bose smart soundbars, these unobtrusive rear surround speakers provide sweeping sound that enhances your movie, sport and TV show viewing experience. When it comes to rear surround speakers, the only thing you want to stand out is the sound. Standing less than 10 cm high, the Bose surround speakers fit right in with sound that stands up. Simple setup. Adding these surround speakers to your soundbar leads to a thrilling, cinema-like experience. And the setup? Simple. Two wireless receivers accompany the speakers to facilitate a wireless connection to the soundbar. Once connected, you have a premium acoustic setup to complement the powerful performance of the soundbar. The Bose surround speakers are compatible with Bose Smart Soundbar, Bose S1 Pro Portable Bluetooth Speaker System. It has a lightweight, rugged enclosure with a built-in handle, so it's easy to carry and take just about anywhere. And once you get there, the rechargeable battery gives you up to 11 hours of playtime. Play on, let's go. Weighing only 7.1 kg, 15.1 pounds, the rugged S1 Pro lets you bring better sound to the party or outdoor get-together. It's the all-in-one Bluetooth speaker to take anywhere. Sound like a pro. Be the DJ with Bluetooth streaming, make announcements clearly with the microphone jack, or jam out with your favorite keyboard or guitar. Built-in tone match processing. Play anywhere and stay longer. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery keeps you going for up to 11 hours, no matter where you go. And the quick charge function lets you recharge in a hurry. Place and play. Place it on the ground, on its side, tilted back or elevated. Built-in sensors, auto EQ and a unique multi-position design make sure the music sounds full and balanced. Take control of the good times. The Bose Connect app lets you bring even more to the event, like party mode. Stream wireless audio to a second S1 Pro system or any compatible Bose Bluetooth speaker. Plus, there are advanced configuration options to help you get more from the S1 Pro.